Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 23rd, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is the library. Biscuit Loves the Library by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli. Pictures by Pat Shores. It is a very special day at the library, Biscuit. Woof, woof! It's Read to a Pet Day. I can read to you, Biscuit. Woof, woof! Come along, Biscuit. Let's find a book. Woof, woof! See, Biscuit? There are books about bunnies and bears. Woof, woof! And big dinosaurs, too. Woof! Funny puppy, that's not a real bone. Woof, woof! Look, Biscuit. There are more books over here. Woof, woof! Biscuit, where are you? Woof! You found the puppets, Biscuit. Woof, woof! And you even found stories we can listen to. Woof! Now, which book will it be? Woof, woof! Biscuit, wait for me! Woof! Oh, Biscuit, you found the librarian and a book that's just right. Woof, woof! You found a cozy spot filled with friends, too. Everyone loves the library, Biscuit. Woof, woof! Let's read. Woof! The end. We're going to make a canvas journal now. This is soft, it's canvas. And inside are a ton of blank pages. So you can use it as a journal. You can use it to write a story. You can use it for your sketches. Anything you'd like. And all we need for this is fabric markers or paints. I'm going to use fabric markers again. You can also use Sharpies with this, whatever you'd like. And then you're just going to go ahead and draw stuff on here. I decided I wanted to make some flowers. I'll leave that open and white. And I'm just going to do a bunch of different ones all over the book. So with the yellow center, I'm going to do that yellow and green. So just make it however you'd like. You can do anything. So here's what my book looks like. It's got flowers on the front, put my name on the side there, and just like rainbow swirls on the back. And that's all there is to it. Now I have a really pretty little journal.